think he put one right in here, guys. Be ready. If I remember correctly, it was kind of dark, but I think he put one right there. It is. Was that one? Or was that a chipmunk? Was that a chipmunk?
Yeah.
But he did put one right in there.
I'll be in there. Get it?
Be ready, guys. Don't shoot each other.
I'm out.
Make sure it's in the air high enough. Could have sworn he put one right in here. Chief, didn't he put one right in here?
Get it? Find it.
Cockbird over there. Go ahead, somebody go down there. Shoot it. I'll back you up, Tony, if you miss when he comes over your head. What the fuck was that?
Why didn't you fucking catch him?
I think I got, hey, is my red light blinking?
Yeah.
You're on film.